Hi, this is Dave at Arts Nursery. I'm sort of the guy to ask questions about lawn care and what to do at certain times of the year. Right now we're in the middle of March. Great time to actually add Dolopril to actually adjust your pH level in your lawn. After you've applied the Dolopril, you've waited about 2 weeks for it to get all watered in by Mother Nature. Then you want to look at your lawn and figure out if you have a moss problem or if you just need to give your lawn a jump start with some starter fertilizer. I recommend the starter fertilizer first. Get your lawn nice and healthy and then start to look at your moss and your weed problem. What I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to put Dolopril down on the owner's lawn, and I recommend using a Scotch spreader. It has all the settings on it and really easy to follow and use. So I poured the Dolopril into the hopper. I've got my setting at 5, which is kind of the middle of the range for the amount of Dolopril to be spread out. So basically, as you start to walk across your lawn, you're going to do a zigzag pattern back and forth. And try not to get too much on your sidewalks or driveways. Just having it overlap just a little bit in the wheel marks. I'm coming back again. I release the trigger and back one more time. So after you've applied your Dolopril and you've waited about 2 weeks for it to work into the ground, your next step is to apply your spring lawn fertilizer. And as you can see by the number 16-36-6, that's great for getting a boost to your lawn. It's applied the same way with the spreader, and it has to be a little bit more precise when you do spread it. Just simply because you want to be able to have that nice lawn come up evenly as a nice dark green color. Same principles as spreading the Dolopril. You'd make a zigzag back and forth, and sometimes I also go the opposite way so that I get a nice even coverage. If you apply it both directions, you want to go a little bit less on your setting so that it makes it for the right coverage. Another product that you can apply to your lawn after you've Doloprilled is this moss control. It does have some lawn fertilizer in it, 936, and it will actually work on controlling your moss, boosting your lawn to kind of fill in those spots. With these products, you always want to look at what the manufacturer's recommended settings are. Each one's slightly different. If you're not sure, sometimes you can Google it, but often they'll have the information on the back of the bag. And you can phone me here at Arts too, and I can guide you through it. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully we'll see you guys out here this spring. 8940 192nd Street.